Okay, super. Straight round and jump the bigger one. Keep canter, go on, keep canter, keep moving. Don't keep stopping her, keep coming, Laura. Good girl. Keep going. Keep going. Same as you did with that one. If she goes, oh my goodness, what's that? Just keep her there. You can do it from a standstill, it's only a dip. Don't pull her up too much. Good, keep coming. Shoulders up, go, go. Go on. Go, 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 go. Hold her there, hold her there. Go on, go on. Go on. Charlotte. Go. Oh, you got it. Go on. Well done, keep going. Go, 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 go. Super, straight round again, lots of praise. Good girl. Keep going, Laura. And once she's jumped at this time, Emma, you can take yours. Good girl. Keep the canter, don't pull her up. Go on, canter it. There you go. Let her go, let her go. That's a good girl. Let her go, let her go. Go on. Super, give her a praise.